OnePlus Nord 2 is here. After months of rumors and leaks suggesting as much, OnePlus has officially confirmed the existence of the first real successor to 2020's OnePlus Nord. The original Nord was OnePlus' return to the flagship killer market segment that made the company popular in the first place. And we're hoping the Nord 2 is a refinement of the original. Rumors about the OnePlus Nord 2 are also starting to roll in, all of which you'll find below. And as soon as we learn anything else about the OnePlus Nord 2, we'll add it to this video. OnePlus Nord 2 release date. The OnePlus Nord 2 will debut on July 22nd. The company has confirmed it'll be hosting a live stream for the reveal of the phone, and it'll be available in both India and Europe. We expect that to include the UK. It's unlikely this phone will be available in the US. The original OnePlus Nord wasn't sold there, or Australia, as the company doesn't usually sell its phones in that region. OnePlus Nord 2 price. We don't yet have an idea of price for the OnePlus Nord 2, but the original phone cost around $480, so we could possibly see a similar price for the successor. OnePlus Nord 2 display. OnePlus Nord 2 will have a 6.43-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. OnePlus Nord 2 design leaks and rumors show a phone that looks a lot like the OnePlus 9 Pro, with a similar camera design on the rear, albeit without Hasselblad branding, and an all-screen look on the front, with a punch-hole camera in the top left corner. With this design, the 20:9 aspect ratio display offers larger viewing area and high screen-to-body ratio. The power button and the volume rocker are on the right side of the phone. The main security features include the on-screen fingerprint sensor and support for face unlock that works through the selfie camera. OnePlus Nord 2 camera. OnePlus Nord 2 will have a triple lens camera, with a 50-megapixel main snapper, using the same sensor as the OnePlus 9 Pro's ultra-wide, along with an 8-megapixel secondary camera and a 2-megapixel tertiary one. If we had to guess, we'd assume the 8MP is either an ultra-wide or a telephoto, and the 2-megapixel is a depth sensor. On the front, the phone gets 32-megapixel selfie cameras that support video recording as well as video calls. OnePlus Nord 2 battery. As for the battery, we've heard that it might be 4500 mAh, which would make it bigger than the 4115 mAh battery in the original Nord, while another source has echoed that and said that it can charge at 65W. OnePlus Nord 2 processor. OnePlus Nord 2 is powered by a 5G-ready MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI-backed SoC with a 3 GHz octa-core processor. It is integrated with 8 GB of RAM and a Mali G77MC9 GPU that boosts multitasking and gaming performance on the phone. Also, a hassle-free experience is expected on performing normal tasks like calling, texting, browsing, scrolling, etc. OnePlus Nord 2 storage. As for storage, the smartphone offers 128 GB of inbuilt storage capacity that can be used to keep your files like photos, videos, music, movies, documents, etc. However, the phone lacks a memory card slot which limits its storage space. OnePlus Nord 2 waterproof. The OnePlus Nord didn't have such an IP rating. That doesn't mean they're not protected against outside some elements, just that the phone isn't officially certified. That does mean you can't be too sure how hardy the handset is though, and if you don't know how well protected a valuable smartphone is, you might treat it like it's not protected at all. We'd like to see the OnePlus Nord get an IP rating, and if possible an IP68. That means it's fully protected from dust, and can survive being underwater at depths of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes.